Hello dear audience, watch the video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe if it was useful. Here I am going to teach you a simple way to bypass the personal account limit. Of course, you feel dangerous when you get close to the limit. And you will definitely encounter this error after saving the last project that can be saved. Autodesk Fusion 360 document limit reached. And here I am trying to open a new project and save it. What will happen? And when you open a new file and try to save it, you will be faced with a subscription request, but solving this problem is very simple. Just change an editable to read-only. And also the question that arises is what will happen if I change a project from editable to read-only? Can I change it to editable? But don't worry, you can easily change it to editable, and you can also export and save any file on your computer without changing the mode to editable. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Please share the video with your friends.